Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use implements keyword in Java for inheriting interfaces. So let's get started. In Java, if you want to make a child class inherit a parent class, then we are going to use a keyword known as extends keyword, right? Let's say there is class A and here we have class B. And if you want to make this class B inherit the properties from the class A, that is, if you want to make the class B a child class and class A the parent of the class B, in that case, after the class B, you have to write extends. Using the extends keyword, okay, we can write class A. The moment I write like this, class B becomes the child class of the class A becomes the parent class of the class B. With the help of the extends keyword, we can inherit classes in Java. Okay. In order to inherit the classes in Java, we have to use a keyword known as extends keyword. But coming to the interfaces, if you want to inherit interfaces, we have to use a different keyword in Java. We should not use extends keyword for inheriting the interfaces. For inheriting the classes, we have to use extends keyword. But for inheriting the interfaces, we have to use implements keyword. Okay? Implements keyword. For example, there is an interface. Let's say interface name is interface A is there. And we have some class 1. Now, this particular class, class 1, want to become the child class of this interface A. That is, this class 1 want to inherit the properties from the interface. So how to do that? Here we should not write extends keyword. For making a class, a child class of an interface, or making this interface a parent of this class, you have to use a keyword known as implements keyword. You should not use extends keyword. In case of interface, we have to use implements followed by the interface name, interface A. So in Java, we have to use implements keyword for inheriting the interfaces and extends keyword for inheriting the classes. Let me demonstrate this practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to create a new interface. Right click new interface. I'll just name this interface as interface C, let's say, some random name I am giving. Here I created an interface. Now, inside this interface, there's an interface, right? Inside this interface, I can create some properties like variables and methods. Variables inside the interface are by default static and final. And whereas methods in interface are by default abstract methods that you have already learned from the previous sessions, right? Fine. Now let me create that. For example, string account type 1 is equal to, I'm just giving this. So this is a constant, static and final by default. This particular variables inside the interface are static and final by default. And coming to the methods, they're abstract by default. So I'll be writing here public void, okay, uh, deposit money. If I try to create the body for this method, it will not happen because these are abstract methods by default. So methods will be like this. For example, I created one variable and one method inside an interface. Now I want to create a class, let's say class 1. I'm creating a class known as class 1. Now this particular class want to inherit the properties from this interface known as interface C. For that, class 1 need to become the child class of this interface C, and interface C should become the parent of this class 1. For that to happen, after the class 1, here I need to write implements keyword. Implements keyword followed by the name of the interface C. Class 1 implements interface. So here we have to use a keyword known as implements keyword, okay, for a particular class. To become the child class of an interface in Java, we have to use a keyword known as implements keyword. Fine. So here we are getting an error because, when a particular class becomes the child class of this interface and that interface has an abstract method, that abstract method should be implemented here inside this child class. Until then, we are going to get the error. Okay. So let me hover the mouse and say add an implement methods, the error will be gone. system.out.println deposit money. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Now, guys, so just focus on this. Okay, don't worry about this. I'll cover this in a detailed way in the upcoming sessions anyhow. So similar to the class becoming the child class of an abstract class, when the class becomes the child class of an abstract class, that child class should implement all the abstract methods of the parent abstract class, right? But here, in place of the abstract class, we have the interface, and that interface by default, all the methods inside the interface are abstract methods. So that method should be implemented. Such abstract methods of the parent interface should be implemented in the child class. Okay, they're child classes, otherwise you'll get the errors here. Similar to the abstract classes, with interface also you'll get the similar kind of errors. All the abstract methods of the parent interface should be implemented inside the child classes. Until then you'll get the error, but here we have to use a keyword as part of inheritance. If you want to make a particular class as a child class of an interface in Java, we have to use implements keyword. We should not use extends keyword. If you want to make a particular thing, okay, particular item which is a class as a parent of this class one, then you have to use extends. If that particular item which is going to become parent is an interface, here extends should not be used, here implement should be used. So hope guys you understood how to use implements keyword in Java for inheriting the interfaces. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.